GroupBy is used to organize your data. It takes a collection and sorts items into groups based on criteria you specify, making it perfect for categorization and analysis of your data. Basic grouping uses the GroupBy method, and then you define the property to grade them, in this case by the grade level. The result is a collection of groups where each group has a key property representing the grouping value and contains all items with that key. You can then process each group individually. You can process groups with loops like for each, where you can access the group key and you can use the count method to analyze each group. You can aggregate within groups for stats like average, sum, or count per category. Complex grouping uses multiple properties, creating composite keys. You can combine GroupBy with select, where you can reshape the group data into reports. This is how you transform raw data into meaningful business insights.